When you think about the pinnacle of electric luxury, the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV probably springs to mind pretty quickly. It's not just another EV, it's a statement, a blend of cutting-edge technology, lavish comfort, and that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz prestige. But have you ever stopped to think about the sheer complexity involved in bringing such a vehicle from a raw concept to your driveway? It's a process that marries centuries of automotive tradition with the rapid pace of electric innovation, all happening under one very advanced roof. Today, we're diving deep into that journey. The journey for the EQS SUV largely begins at Mercedes-Benz Factory 56 in Sindelfingen, Germany, a facility that is, frankly, mind-bogglingly advanced. Opened in 2020, this isn't your grandfather's car factory. It's designed specifically for flexibility, capable of producing conventional, hybrid, and fully electric vehicles on the same line. This adaptability is crucial in today's rapidly evolving automotive landscape, allowing Mercedes to pivot quickly to market demands. It's a testament to their long-term vision, investing heavily in future-proofing their production. Before a single piece of metal is cut, the entire manufacturing process is simulated digitally. We're talking about a full virtual twin of the factory floor, complete with robots, conveyor belts, and even human workers. This allows engineers to optimize every step, identify potential bottlenecks, and refine workflows long before physical production begins. It significantly reduces development time and costs, improving efficiency from the get-go. This digital twin approach is a cornerstone of modern high-volume, high-quality manufacturing, especially for a vehicle as complex as the EQS SUV. The first major physical stage is the body shop, where the EQS SUV truly starts to take shape. This isn't just steel and aluminum, it's a complex blend of advanced materials strategically chosen for strength, weight, and crash safety. The body in white comprises a mix of high-strength steel, lightweight aluminum, and specialized alloys. Hundreds of robots meticulously weld, rivet, and bond these components together, achieving tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. It's a ballet of synchronized automation, ensuring structural integrity that's paramount for an EV carrying a heavy battery pack. The sheer scale of automation in the body shop is staggering. To illustrate, a typical EQS SUV body involves thousands of individual welds and connections. The precise placement and consistency achieved by robots are simply unattainable by human hands alone. This level of automation ensures repeatable quality and speed. We're talking about a system where over 90% of the body assembly is automated, allowing human workers to focus on quality checks, programming, and maintenance, rather than repetitive tasks. It's a significant investment that pays dividends in safety and structural integrity. After the body in white, it's off to the paint shop, a highly complex and environmentally controlled environment. This isn't just about color, it's about protection, durability, and that signature Mercedes-Benz finish. The process involves multiple layers, typically including an anti-corrosion primer, a filler coat for smoothness, the base coat for color, and then several layers of clear coat for depth and scratch resistance. Each coat is precisely applied by robotic arms in dust-free booths, then baked at specific temperatures. It's a critical stage for both aesthetics and longevity. Mercedes-Benz employs advanced painting technologies, like overspray-free painting, which significantly reduces material waste and energy consumption. This technology ensures that nearly 100% of the paint sprayed adheres to the car body, rather than dissipating into the air, which is wild, by the way. This isn't just good for the environment, it also means higher quality finishes with fewer imperfections. Compared to traditional methods, it's a huge leap in efficiency, saving millions in materials annually while boosting their sustainability credentials. It's a blend of luxury standards and environmental responsibility. Perhaps the most crucial component for an EV like the EQS SUV is its battery. While the cells themselves are sourced from specialized manufacturers, the complex battery system, the modules, cooling, and management systems is assembled in-house, often at dedicated battery plants like the one in Heidelfingen. This process is incredibly intricate, involving thousands of individual cells being grouped into modules, then assembled into the large, flat battery pack that forms the vehicle's floor. Safety and thermal management are absolutely paramount here, given the power involved. Once fully assembled and rigorously tested, the complete battery pack, which can weigh upwards of 700 kilograms for a large luxury EV, is then delivered to the main assembly line. Integrating this massive component into the chassis requires specialized robotics systems and precision. It's not simply dropped in, it's meticulously connected to the vehicle's cooling lines, power electronics, and high-voltage system. This marriage of battery and body is a key moment, forming the vehicle's electric core. The sheer weight and high-voltage aspects make this one of the most critical stages. Now, the EQS SUV truly starts to become a Mercedes-Benz. The interior assembly phase is where human craftsmanship takes center stage alongside automation. Think about those intricate dashboards, the supple leather seats, the expansive hyperscreen. While robots might install the main wiring harnesses, skilled technicians painstakingly fit trim pieces, connect delicate electronics, and upholster premium materials. It's a blend of high-tech integration and traditional artisanry. Each stitch, each panel alignment, contributes to that unparalleled luxury feel that Mercedes-Benz owners expect. Speaking of the hyperscreen, this isn't just a big tablet, it's a seamless 56-inch curved screen stretching across the dashboard, housing multiple displays. Its installation requires incredibly precise robotic and human coordination. It's not just a physical connection, it's a complex network of fiber optics and electrical systems that need to be perfectly integrated. This advanced infotainment system is a hallmark of the EQS SUV's digital prowess, representing a significant engineering challenge during assembly to ensure flawless operation and aesthetic alignment. As the interior comes together, the exterior panels, doors, and lighting elements are installed. This stage is where the vehicle's distinctive silhouette truly emerges. Robots might handle the heavy lifting of doors and hoods, but human eyes and hands are critical for ensuring perfect panel gaps and alignments, something luxury buyers are extremely particular about. Headlights, taillights, emblems, and chrome accents are all carefully attached, bringing the exterior to its polished, finished state. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the panoramic roof, is meticulously integrated. Before any EQS SUV leaves the factory, it undergoes a battery of exhaustive quality checks. This isn't just a cursory glance, it involves automated optical inspections for paint flaws, precise measurements of panel gaps, functional tests of every single electronic component, and dynamic tests of braking and acceleration. Robots perform thousands of measurements, while human inspectors meticulously scrutinize every detail for fit, finish, and aesthetic perfection. It's an unwavering commitment to the Mercedes-Benz standard, catching even the slightest deviation. While automation is central, the human element remains irreplaceable, especially in the quality control and final assembly stages. Experienced technicians, often with decades of service, bring an intuitive understanding of the vehicle that no robot can replicate. They're the ones ensuring the soft-touch materials feel right, the doors close with that satisfying thud, and the vehicle lives up to its S-Class of EVs moniker. Their expertise is crucial for the subjective aspects of luxury and comfort, really bridging the gap between machine precision and human expectation. An electric vehicle like the EQS SUV is essentially a computer on wheels. Therefore, a massive part of the final manufacturing stages involves uploading and configuring its complex software, from the MBUX infotainment system to the battery management system and driver assistance features. Every sensor, every module, every line of code is thoroughly tested and verified. This requires sophisticated diagnostic equipment and dedicated software engineers to ensure seamless operation and connectivity. It's a testament to the fact that modern vehicles are as much about bytes as they are about bolts. Even after passing all static tests, each EQS SUV undergoes a final dynamic test drive on a dedicated track within or near the factory. This isn't just a quick spin, it's a comprehensive check of all driving functionalities, acceleration, braking, handling, noise, and vibration. Trained drivers listen for any unusual sounds, feel for any anomalies, and ensure that the vehicle performs precisely as designed. It's the ultimate real-world validation before the car is deemed ready for delivery. This meticulous final check differentiates true luxury brands. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just the EV itself. Factory 56 operates as a CO2-neutral facility, utilizing renewable energy sources and implementing energy-efficient processes. This includes advanced heat recovery systems, a photovoltaic system on the roof, and green power contracts. The entire supply chain is also scrutinized for its environmental impact, from raw material sourcing to packaging. It's a holistic approach, aiming to reduce the overall carbon footprint of production, aligning with the eco-conscious values often associated with electric vehicles. The manufacturing of an EQS SUV represents an enormous investment not just in technology, but in people and processes. Mercedes-Benz has poured billions into transforming its production network for electric mobility, training thousands of employees in high-voltage technology and digital skills. This isn't just about building cars today, it's about building the infrastructure and expertise for the electric era of tomorrow. The move to EVs requires a fundamental shift in every aspect of manufacturing, from tool design to worker skill sets, making it a truly future-forward endeavor. All this advanced technology, meticulous craftsmanship, and commitment to sustainability naturally contributes to the EQS SUV's premium price point. You're not just paying for a vehicle, you're investing in decades of engineering expertise, cutting-edge materials, state-of-the-art production processes, and an unparalleled attention to detail. This isn't mass-market production, it's precision manufacturing on an industrial scale. The price reflects not just the components, but the rigorous quality control, the extensive R&D, and the brand prestige built over a century. That's a huge part of the value proposition. So, from a bare aluminum sheet to a fully fledged luxury electric SUV, the manufacturing process of the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is nothing short of an industrial marvel. It's a complex dance between human skill and advanced robotics, digital precision, and tangible craftsmanship, all underscored by a deep commitment to quality and sustainability. It's more than just assembling parts, it's about creating a driving experience, a lifestyle. Understanding this intricate journey gives you a whole new appreciation for what it means to drive such an incredible piece of engineering. What do you think is the most impressive part?